Markets are still near all-time highs, stocks remain expensive, and yet I am still putting more money to work this month. But once again, not in a single stock. Today I will show you the ETF I am adding to my personal portfolio for February 2026, why it fits perfectly in the current market conditions and how it helps balance growth, quality and income at the same time. I'm ATP and let's get started. Before we talk about the market, let me give you a quick update on my portfolio. On the ETF side, we are now up over 38%, which clearly shows the power of diversification and long-term investing. And if we look at the total portfolio, combining stocks and ETFs, we are currently sitting at around 3,500 euros in net profit, a very solid position to be in. This is exactly why ETFs are becoming a bigger and bigger part of my strategy. And by the way, if you want access to this portfolio in full detail, stay until the end of the video, because I will show you how you can have it completely for free. Now let's look at the broader market. The S&P 500 remains very close to all-time highs, and technically the structure is still bullish. Price is clearly above the long-term 600 period smoothed moving average, which continues to act as a strong base for the trend. At the same time, we can clearly see that the market has moved a long way from its major support zone, and that tells us two things. First, the trend is intact, but valuations are stretched, and upside from here is likely to be slower and selective. Besides that, January gave us a few important signals. Inflation data continued to cool, keeping expectations of rate cuts later in the year alive. Corporate earnings remained solid, especially among high-quality, cash-generating companies, and markets are progressively rewarding stability, balance sheets, and dividend consistency, rather than pure growth at any price. So the market conditions are still positive, but it's also more demanding when it comes to where we allocate more capital. And this brings me to an important point. With many individual stocks still trading at elevated valuations, the risk-reward for single stock picks isn't always attractive right now. And that's why, once again, an ETF makes more sense. Broader exposure, lower risk and more consistency in uncertain phases of the market. After reviewing my ETF allocation and scanning the market, the ETF I am adding this month is the Wisdom Tree Global Quality Dividend Growth, with the ticker WTEM. This ETF focuses on high-quality companies worldwide, selected based on profitability, balance sheet strength, and consistent dividend growth. WTEM gives exposure to almost 500 global companies, with a very balanced sector and geographical allocation. It has a strong exposure to the United States, but also meaningful diversification across Japan, Europe and other developed markets, with a healthy risk management. The top 10 holdings make up less than 30% of this ETF, which means no single company dominates performance. From an operational point of view, this ETF checks all the boxes. It is accumulating, so dividends are reinvested automatically. It has physical replication, a total expense ratio of 0.38%, which is reasonable, and a decent fund size, offering good liquidity and stability. If you'd like a deeper explanation of what each of these components really means and why they matter, I break them down step by step in my January 2026 episode. Now, regarding performance, the numbers are precisely what I want from this type of ETF. around 60% profit over the last 5 years with lower volatility than the broader market and with a max drawdown around 18% in recent periods. Now, to put this into perspective, let's quickly compare it with a classic benchmark, the Vanguard S&P 500. Over the last 5 years, Vanguard returned about 100%, but it also experienced a max drawdown of roughly 24%. So yes, the S&P 500 made more money, but it also required investors to see through deeper losses along the way. And at this point in the market cycle, I personally value drawdown control and capital protection more than squeezing every last bit of upside. And that's exactly why this ETF fits so well in my portfolio right now. So let's head over to XStation 5 and make the purchase. XTB is the broker I recommend and personally use. One of the reasons I use XTB is that it allows me to buy real stocks and ETFs with 0% commissions, up to 100,000 euros in monthly volume. The interface is simple, the execution is fast, and it's perfect whether you are a total beginner or an experienced investor. Once you are logged in, simply go to the Market Watch, type WTEM and select this one. Then open the chart, right-click on it and select New Order. Today I am adding 7 more units of this ETF to my portfolio. Finally, press Buy, confirm the position, and that's it. Now, as promised, here's how you can get 1 full year of free access to my premium investing group. If you open an account on XTB using the code ATP, you will receive 12 months of access completely free, with no deposit required. Just open the account, send us a screenshot, and we will activate your access immediately. Inside the group, you will find my full portfolios, fair value calculations, monthly updates, and much more. And that's it. If you enjoyed this ETF-focused episode, let me know in the comments. And if there is any specific ETF or stock you'd like me to analyze in a future video, just drop it as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. Happy investing. Bye bye.